call them buttons traditionally, but they're just table fasteners. I use these in all my tables, and they allow the table to move with seasonal changes in humidity. They can rotate and pivot. They can also slide in the mortise, and then going this way, they can go in and out. You've got a good half-inch there of movement if you need it, which you probably won't need that much, but they allow for that movement, and you should always allow for that movement. If you're screwing tabletops down directed to the base, you're asking for trouble. I want to give credit to Paul Sellers on this because he taught me this technique. He showed me how to do it many years ago in a class I was taking from him. So Paul Sellers is a very talented, not only woodworker, but teacher. And if you haven't heard of him, he does have a YouTube channel, so you should go check it out. I'll put that link in my description. One thing to note on this when you make these is make sure you select straight grain wood. If you select a real wavy grain or run out grain, it's not going to split well for you. So you want to make sure you get straight grain. You can use any species as long as it's straight grain. Oak, hickory, this is walnut, it worked pretty well. So keep that in mind when you do this. I also want to mention that if you've been with me for a while, you know that I have a second channel called Have It Made, and we threw up a new video this week on that channel about a brewery, the craft of brewing beer. So I think you guys should go check it out. I think you'll really like it, and I would appreciate that. And finally, I want you guys to know that we've got these new hats in. Very cool hats. I have it in black as well, and the purchase of my merch is greatly appreciated. It helps support the channel, helps me bring more content to you guys. So, as always, I appreciate you tuning in. I hope you've enjoyed this quick little demonstration, and I'll see you next time.